be careful with this. Most of the admin of eMaint, they um, they block the use of data dictionary for almost all the users, because data dictionaries is another table that we have here, so we can go to manage table, add the data dictionary, apply changes, and then start working with the data dictionary here. Okay, so if you go to any of these records, you are working directly with the with the database. And if you change the information inside of here, you can damage the database. But I'm going to show you some examples that we have. Um, Data dictionary contains all the information about the way that we organize the database inside of eMaint. Um, you can add the fields to the close of the screen. Those are the example that we have to use in the data dictionary. And the second one is turning a true false fields logical into a checkbox. Web link setup, hiding fields from the specific users, expanding rows, adding help. This information or the way that you can configure this is here in the presentation. So you just need to search what is the field that you need to change and what is the value that you need to change or add to that field to be able to practice this example. So, for example, in this case, we are going to add a field to the closeout screen. The closeout screen is the one that we have when we try to close out any work order. So, for example, if I select from here this work order closeout, it's going to show me this screen. So in this case, I can add any of the fields as part of this screen. Okay, so that's the idea. So let's go to do that. Let's go back and let's go to try this. For example, this is the department. So let's go to select one of the fields here. So for example, in the fourth, in this work order, we have the department here. Also we have the site. Let's go to try with the site because it contains something. So how do you do that? You need to first go to manage form. Let me see. Yeah, turn. Close out and routine. Okay. So let's go to this is the form of work order. So we are going to select work orders here, default, edit, and site. This is the field that I want to show. If I click here on the properties, below of these windows, we have the data dictionary. So we can click here, and we are going to open the same window that we have here.
Okay.
And we're going to see scroll down and search for these fields and routine. So routine. Where's the routine? Custom routine. It's older. It's over 10. Mm, yeah, it's over 10. Edit and color. Because this one. So here we need to change the audio to close out, other field to close out to the screen. Close out to the screen. Close out and save. Yes, hide field. Okay, hide field from okay. So save. Close the windows. And now if I go to the work order, this one, close out. So, reading, letter reading. Oh, it's not that one. And name change. Close out. Oh, close out. Let's go to try it again. Yeah, here, site. So that's the way that you can add information here to the closeout. Of course, if you click here, you can change that field. So the idea is that you add that field here because you want to change that field uh, before of close out the work order. Okay, that's the first example. Okay, so let me go back and change that configuration. Oh, in this case, is the name is not the one that appears in the M routine. Is custom routine. custom routine. So edit, close out together, save the change. Okay. The other example that we have is turning true and false fill logical into this one. Any of the fields that we can change as a checkbox. So it's a lookup, and we can change for a checkbox using the clock type, the look type. See, look type. Look type is lookup type. This one we can change that. So, for example, for this, the sites, it is possible to change for a lookup. Let's go to do that one for not for this one, maybe for the department. This one, the department. In the in the form, we have the department as test test field. We type in there, but let's go to change to the as a lookup. So data dictionary, edit first. I need to change the lookup for true and look type lookup lookup true, and instead of pop-up list, close. Ctrl C should be checkbox. Checkbox, save. So now if I refresh this one, the department changed to from a test box to a checkbox. Here, change this. Okay, edit, list, save. Another example is the web link. So with this lookup, uh, look type is a file, and then after that, we can select in the routine the web link and change that for a web link. Okay. Um, Hiding fields. Maybe this one is something that you can use for some of the forms. You can hide that field for a specific user. Okay, so you need to configure in these two fields the value that that you have here, and then hide that information from for that user. Let me see, expanding for rows. Change the value to expand. Okay, this is for expanded one rows. So this one is possible for example, for the comments. No, this one is already expanded. For the expansion routine, Roland type. No. Still date. Which one here? Oh, work order request. Station city. Oh, word description. This one. Nice. To be approved. Comments. Comments. Image. Floor. Yes. Floor. So in this case, I'm going to select the work order request. Request. Default. Edit. And floor. Floor. Add a dictionary. Edit. And prospect. Uninspired. Okay. This uninspired. Should be this one. And now I refresh. Mm-mm. No, it's not that one. Mm. The name of the fields is different. Um, just here. Let me check some information about this because this information that I have in my presentation is not accurate.
Okay.
So I need to check. Yeah, and let's go to have a break. The break of 40 minutes that you need, and then after that,
Something like that. Yeah, I'll let you know as soon as I'm back at the desk.
okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.